Psalm chapter 3, verse 2-9. Threatened but trusting. How many are my foes, Lord? How many rise against me? How many say of me, God will not save that one? But you, Lord, are a shield around me. My glory, you keep my head high. Whenever I cried out to the Lord, I was answered from the holy mountain. Whenever I lay down and slept, the Lord preserved me to rise again. I do not fear, then, thousands of people arrayed against me, on every side. Arise, Lord, save me, my God. You will shatter the jaws of all my foes. You will break the teeth of the wicked. Safety comes from the Lord. Your blessing for your people.